Light up your workspace easily with the J.Burrows Monitor USB clamp lamp. Simply plug the cord into the back of the lamp and then into a powered USB port. It clamps to your monitor to save desk space, and then touch to turn on. It can be used on a laptop as well. The brightness is manually adjustable and can also automatically adjust brightness according to your surroundings. There are 3 light color options: daylight, cool white, and warm white. The lamp can automatically shut off after 40 minutes, providing a handy timer to help manage time spent studying, working, or gaming. Improve upon any workspace with the J.Burrows Monitor USB clamp lamp. You can buy one online or at your local Officeworks store today.